Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Last night, Appa, my wife actually requested saying that she wants to eat yellow wine fried egg. Right, so today I'm going to make it for her. But rather than just pure fried egg, I'm going to also add in some chicken, and I'm using free range chicken here. I have approximately half a kilogram, yeah, about 500 gram 500 gram of free range chicken, few pieces of egg, up to you how many you want to prepare. Later we are going to fry the egg also, okay? Then we will need some julienne ginger, yeah, ginger slices, where we are going to fry also. And also some ginger slices, big slices. And of course, star of the day, yellow rice wine. And I'm actually using Shaoxing wine. Alright, first prepare a pan or wok. I'm going to give it some oil here. We are going to fry the egg. And heat up the oil. One small tips about frying egg is that always crack the egg open into another bowl before you cook it. Why? Because sometimes the egg can be rotten, yeah? So once you heat up the oil, you can put in the egg. Wow, already looks very yummy. Oh, egg is my favorite, my whole family's favorite, especially my daughter. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. So some people like the egg yolk to be fully cooked, some people like it half cooked. I like it half cooked, yeah. Runny egg, ooh, runny egg yolk, that is perfect. But my wife prefers it to be fully cooked, so this is home cooking. You decide, you cook for different persons, so you do have to cook different way, yeah? Anyway, I can cook more than one egg here, so I can cook different egg, different style. I will keep this egg for myself. Running egg yolk. Alright, this egg is ready. Ta-da! Alright, this is the second one for my wife. So I'm going to cook, I'm going to make the egg fully cooked. Actually, my mother-in-law will prefer fully cooked as well. Nice. Alright, done. Very nice. Alright, so here's my fried egg. I'm going to set it aside. So adding a little bit more oil here, using the same pan, I'm going to fry some ginger. You want to fry them until crispy. And you won't waste this oil. Later we are still going to use this oil because this oil now is going to become ginger oil. Yeah. Which is going to add extra flavor to your dish, yeah? So slowly pan fry the ginger until crispy. Then this step is done. Right, this is very fast, only around 1 minute. You can start seeing the ginger slices started to brown. And I can now carefully take it out and set it aside, off the fire. Right, next thing, get a deeper wok, and now we are going to start cooking. Give it a bit of sesame oil, and we are going to mix the sesame oil with some of the ginger oil just now. Also have some egg flavor. Hey. So why is it you want to mix two kinds of oil here? Because if you use sesame oil by itself, it can actually create some bitterness too easily. Yeah, so always good to mix the sesame oil with a bit of other kind of oil. Yeah, and we are going to saute the ginger slices for a minute or two. We can brown it a little bit before we continue. You are seeing the bubble because this is the oil I use to fry the egg as well. So it already has some eggy flavor inside. Ooh, so cooking is all about building out all the different flavor, different layer of flavor. So we'll come back shortly. So this is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing the ginger. You start seeing the ginger started to brown. This is the time where you can actually add in the chicken. You can marinate the chicken with a little bit of salt if you like. Yeah. Let me double check the focus. All right. Appa is also the videographer. Wow, now it's super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. How much is your free range chicken near your place? I bought this at about 25 ringgit per kg. So this chicken is about, or the whole chicken is about 2 kg, so it's 50 ringgit. Wow, look at the beautiful yellowish color. And later, because I'm using the free range chicken, so you're going to see a nice yellowish chicken fat releasing later. Yeah, that is the nature's sweetness. Yeah, did you see I actually started to brown the chicken a bit? Yeah, you want to brown the chicken because you want added flavor. It's all about added flavor. Next thing, give it some generous amount of yellow rice wine. And I'm going to mix with some hot water. Now, there are different formula as to how you can cook this dish. You can cook it with 100% yellow rice wine. Ooh. To me, that is a little bit too strong. I prefer about 50-50. And recently, I can't find a really nice homemade rice wine. I'm still looking for it. If you have anything, do recommend to Appa. Yeah. So now we can actually give it some seasoning here. A pinch of salt. Actually, this is 1 teaspoon of salt, not a pinch. That's all you need, only salt. And once it is boiling, we can then cover it with a lid and let it cook for at least about 10-15 minutes before we add in the egg. Alright, this is after about 12-13 minutes. Wow, look at this. Wow. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Woohoo. Now, next thing, I'm going to add in the fried egg. And I shall let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, then it's basically done. You can, of course, right before serving, you can use some salt, yeah? And maybe a little bit of sugar if you like, but the rice wine itself, after cooking, the natural sweetness will actually release. Very appetizing. Another 2 minutes, then it is done. Alright, so total simmering time, 15 minutes. Total. The egg, I only cook it for about 3 minutes, yeah? Alright, basically done. Wow, look at how appetizing it is. Very nice. Ready for dinner. Okay, so here is my yellow rice wine chicken and also fried egg. Not finished yet, not done yet. We still have some fried ginger, and I have soaked some goji berries. Yeah, soak it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, done. Here's a very simple dinner tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.